Let's find out which dog can take your life the quickest. And the last one is the most dangerous of them all. Number 9, the Great Dane. This dog can take your life in 20 minutes. Number 8, the Boxer. It'll take just 17 minutes for this dog to finish you. Number 7, the Wolf Hybrid. This one can take your life in 15 minutes. Number 6, the Husky. In only 12 minutes, this dog can send you to the other side. Number 5, the Bull Mastiff. It'll take just 10 minutes for this dog to end you. Number 4, the Doberman Pinscher. This one can take your life in just 7 minutes. Number 3, the German Shepherd. It only needs 4 minutes to finish you off. Number 2, the Rottweiler. It can take your life in 3 minutes. But before we reveal number 1, if you're not a coward, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel, because only the brave will subscribe. Number 1, the Pit Bull. It can finish you off in a matter of seconds.